হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, সবাই কেমন আছেন? আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমি আপনাদের সামনে আজকে একটি অ্যাপস নিয়ে এসেছি, যেটার মাধ্যমে আপনারা যারা ক্যামেরার সামনে আসতে চান না বা আসতে পারছেন না, তাদের জন্য এই সফটওয়্যারটি খুবই ভালো কাজ করবে। এটা আপনার ওয়ান টাইম এর মাধ্যমে আপনি ইউজ করতে পারেন। খুবই ভালো একটা সফটওয়্যার, আমি ইউজ করি, আপনারা চাইলে ইউজ করতে পারেন। চলুন দেখি কীভাবে কাজ করে।
Hey, I'm Brad Callen, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create your very own doodle video in the next 60 seconds. Doodle videos, just like the one you're watching right now. It's called Doodly, and it's our push-button doodle software that allows anyone, regardless of tech skills, to create highly engaging, professional doodle videos in a matter of minutes. In whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and even glassboard. Now, chances are you're here because you wanted to find a way to create doodle videos without spending $200 to $500 per minute of video, and let's face it, no video is just a minute long. The one you're watching right now is a hair over 5 minutes long, so it would cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 to get made, and it shouldn't be like that. With the way technology is, creating a doodle video should be easy, and you should be able to create your own doodle video in just a matter of a few minutes. And if you're still watching this video, you already know how powerful and highly engaging doodle videos are, and you know just how much it can help boost your conversions and increase engagement for your business. That's why I started the project that's now called Doodly. My team and I worked for over a year to create a solution to our problem, a solution that we could use in our marketing, a solution that we knew would increase conversions while maintaining a professional and creative solution, and a solution that we know you can use to create your next video in a matter of minutes. But we knew that we'd have to overcome a lot of objections. We know there are a lot of these doodle video creators in the market, so I know the first question you're probably going to ask is, how is Doodly different than the others? Instead of just telling you about it, I want to do a full demo of how simple and easy yet powerful Doodly is. So let's jump right in. Alright, so we're here inside of the Doodly app, and as you can see, it's super easy to use. It's also available for both Mac and PC. Now, let's go ahead and create our first video by clicking on the style we want. You can choose from either whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, or even glassboard videos, giving you lots of control over the style of video that you can create. In this example, we'll create a nice looking whiteboard video. As soon as you start, you're going to notice that you can customize your own doodle videos with our done for you scenes, our hundreds of characters, our collection of props and images, our royalty free music, and even text. And yes, you can upload your own images, props, fonts, and music. Now, to create your own doodle video, it's really simple. First, we pick an image, then we grab a prop, we put it together, resize it, layer it, and voila, we have Steve reading his book on his chair. Oh, and we have a bunch of really cool settings available too. Different hands or none at all, scene transitions with even camera panning, and our smart erase mode as well to continue to provide the realistic feel that you're looking for. Plus, with our easy to use timeline, you can drag and drop scenes as you wish. Add sound by simply choosing from our huge royalty-free library or upload your own. Oh, and when you upload your own image, you can create cool draw paths like this. Using our enhanced doodle draw technology, you can create realistic drawing movements on any image, regardless if you uploaded it or you use one of the ones we offer. Our goal is simple. We want to provide you with a way to easily create realistic professional doodles. When you're done, you can export your video in a variety of sizes, formats, and quality right to your computer, and you're ready to go. Now, as you can see, we've really taken the doodle videos to the next level with this software, and we're really excited to see what you can do with it. And the best part, anyone can create a video, regardless of your technical skills or your experience. So if you're ready to start creating your next doodle video, we can help you get started in the next 60 seconds. The decision is yours, but it's an easy one to make. So go ahead and click on the button below this video to get started. We really look forward to seeing the videos you create and helping you increase your conversions, your sales, and your leads. Doodly is going to give you that unfair advantage over your competitors. The button is right below this video, so grab your copy of Doodly today and we'll see you on the other side.
তো আপনারা চাইলে এখান থেকে এই যে গেট ডুডলি এখানে ক্লিক করলে আপনারা পে করতে পারবেন। সো এখানে কোনো মান্থলি পে করতে হবে না, যেমন ভিডিও স্ক্রাইব একটা সফটওয়্যার আছে, ওইটাতে মান্থলি পে করতে হয় $29 মতো। এখানে এরকম না, আপনি ওয়ান টাইম পেমেন্ট করবেন। সো দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমি মালয়েশিয়া থেকে। তো এখান থেকে আপনার সব কিছু ডিটেলস দিয়ে জাস্ট এখানে এগ্রি দিয়ে কনফার্ম করলেই কমপ্লিট করলেই হয়ে যাবে।